We're gonna zigzag in and out of Mexico.
No.
We have a chainsaw.
It's way back there.
I want me to put it on your lap. Let's do it. That's a heck of a rock there.
Yeah. In a quarter mile, turn right.
Oh wow, look at that.
White Wolf Ranch. Take the second right.
Second. I can't see.
There's a gate.
Well, I guess we can't go that way, huh? Got a quarter. Come on, you want to ride it?
No.
This is what I do. I sit on you.
There. There's probably $5 worth of quarters in there.
For real?
Yeah. That's the Mexican border right there.
Huh.
Let's see what the actual fence looks like, huh?
They didn't build one yet.
Yeah, but there's still old stuff. There's pieces of stuff. Is that a lizard? Or is that a... No. It was a root. It's all kind of cocky. What kind of cocky is that? There's more cocky. What do you need, a booster chair? There's a road right along the border. You can see it. There it is. That's the wall. That's it.
Wow. They really keep it wow. What's the point of the crisscrosses?
I don't know. This road's better shaped than the other one.
Oh, Border Patrol's gotta be able to get through.
We're in Mexico, yo.
Welcome to the United States of America.
It is a camera. This is like a peculiar area. There's so much bush. This must be where they cross. Maybe. They did a lot of work here. Getting ready for the wall. Oh, look at that. There's a ranch. I don't know if I'd want to live there. You?
No. Marker. Repair by the Boundary Commission created by treaties.
Huh.
1862 to 1889.
Cool. Whee! It's like a roller coaster. Holy cow, like literally. Oh man. That's fun. This is definitely all new. You know why those X's are there? It's because they can't drill into the ground with the posts.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah.
So smart.
I know. I don't think we should pick up any hitchhikers on this road. Hope we don't have to turn around. Well, that was fun. Damn, they locked us out? Thought this is America.
Build again.
This is number 34. Open it up, we'll just go through. Why not? What's that say? Lift gate to lock pin. That's just to keep their cows and stuff in, I think.
If it's private property,
How do you know? There's no posted signs.
just
You're crazy.
are you supposed to go in somebody's house if the door's unlocked?
No. It says right on it, lift pin. Why would it say that if it didn't want someone to open it? We went a long way.
Yep. I don't have to go all the way back to the beginning. We'll go to where it said take the right. Or turn around or whatever the fuck
It was
it said.
miles ago.
Well,
I'd rather just take that.
take the next left. You're in trouble now.
Maybe.
Stop.
We just had visual you guys on camera.
Alright. Well, we went all the way to the end and we're like, oh man, this doesn't go anywhere now. And I was like, this isn't even on here, but it's kind of cool. Is that a way to get back to the road? Or is that a...
It's a no trespass.
Oh, it says no trespass. The gate all the way at the end? Was that the way we could have went back to? I thought it was a pin, but I didn't want to open it.
Yeah, no, it's...
Because we're actually heading toward Texas.
Yeah, Texas, you'll want to stay on the...
Go this way and go out?
And then on DTR.
Alright. Alright. Thanks.
Where are you guys coming from?
We're from Connecticut, but we went around through Colorado, went down, hit Moab, then come down, and we just hit Tombstone, Arizona, and then I wanted to take some trails through here, and then I ended up on this one, and I was like, oh, this is a nice road.
Yeah,
and I'm like, I wonder if we're supposed to be on this. Are we? No?
You're not supposed to.
Oh, sorry.
You're a United States citizen.
Yeah. It wasn't labeled, and I was like,
He's like,
uh-oh.
let's just go through the fence.
I'm
I'm
like-
like, no.
Yeah, I was going to say, it technically ends right there at that hill.
Yeah, that's where we were. And then I saw it was a gate, and I said, it shows how to use a pin. She's like, it might be private property. I'm like, all right, we'll just go back. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Had us on camera. You can give us escort out.
Yep.
God, you're always getting us in trouble. Gotta go out and explore.
I am not a risk taker.
Blame it all on me, like it's my idea.
3 hours later.
Oh yeah, here's the road. Yay! Which way are we going? Straight, I think. Wave to him. Oh, he's getting us in trouble. What's it say? Oh, 45. Alright. Well, they're out here in the middle of nowhere. Look at that. They got a nice spread going on there. CB antenna. You gotta drive like what, 50 miles to get anything? This is on his feet. Another smuggling may be illegal.
There's a trap there.
I think he was sleeping. Or he was on foot. What's up, Moo Cow? Green rocks.
I know.
What the heck? Now we got bigger pine trees and stuff. A lot more. Look how thick it is. Oh, they're on horses even. Look at that. No, they're the same things. What are you looking at?
Take a picture, it lasts longer.
Train is hauling. Oh, that train's doing like 90 miles an hour. So was I when a cop went by. Dirty, dirty girl. At 19 miles at a gallon now. Oh my God, look at all those kids.
Jesus Christ.
It's a vagina, not a clown car. On the hill, remember with the bus? And they're all racing down the hill in rat race.
Wait. So, it's like a race?
Silver City, New Mexico.
It's a race. I hope I win.
Big road runner, mama.
Oh.
Come on, do something silly. Nah. That's nothing. Well, that's just stupid. Missile test?
Air Force Base. Yeah, they do missile tests.
Huh. Yeah, it looks like the beach is coming. See it?
Yeah.
All sand dunes.
Wow.
Look, it's over the fence.
Yeah.
Hey guys, how we doing?
Good. Good. Take it easy.
Did we get X-ray?
I don't know. Huh, it's a big Adobe. Can you say Adobe? Adobe. How's it going? Thanks. Wow. This must have been something years ago coming through this too. Like, what the heck is this?
I know, right?
Is there an ocean nearby?
Interdune Boardwalk. If you want to walk.
Let's see what they got first. Wow, it is packed hard, huh?
That's where, what's his face? Independence Day dragged the alien.
Will Smith, yeah. He dragged the alien here, that's right. Independence Day, was it?
I think so.
Oh, they have a horse area.
There's like,
Oh, picnic area. Look at the size of that. Raven. Look at the ravens. Hear that noise?
just that alien.
It's, yeah, I think it was the pipe on top of the thing. Already?
Yes. See the hole.
Alright, I want to see the hole too. Alright, I'll do a 360. Here, get us in the thing. The shadows. Ready? Slide down. Go!
Here for the day.
That's right.
They got their own porta potty.
That's right, they staked their claim. You got the right plan. That guy's got the deal. Holy shit, look at the size of that. Look at the size of that. Some big buckets there. Do they have real aliens here? Gus and Lucy's place. Yeah.
Morning.
Morning. They don't want anybody to see what's inside, huh? How are you? It says guns and furniture now. Old factory or some kind of processing mill. Drilling. New oil rig. There's a bunch of them around here. Cotton. Cotton fields all over. Cotton picking minute there. As far as you can see, all the way around. What the fuck is going on? I guess that's why they put a passing lane and a double lane. Wow. You won't see that shit up north, huh? Streets are paved in brick.
Going down the side streets too.
Wow. Stays cooler, I bet. Our illegal alien just fell. What's so big?
Are you f***ing serious?
Are you
With
kidding
those
me?
things?
Oh my god. That is ridiculous. And why are they in the left lane? Probably because there's bridges.
For a fucking parade.
Shake my head. Look at this joke.
Well, we get to see the parade. Without all the freaks.
Yeah. True. Oh, that's a lot of floats.
Wow, it makes a lot of money in this country.
Oh, back door's open. Let's get in there. Unbelievable. What city is that?
I don't know. Elevation. -14. Water got it.
50 below, yo! Battleship Memorial Park. You sank my battleship. That's the Panhandle wrapping around, alright? So this is the Gulf.
Yep.
That's a nice truck, man. That's a yard truck. That's a big one.
Tonka truck.
Oh my god, there's a Confederate flag. I'm so triggered right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I better pull over. I know what I'll do. Man, what a great time. I'm sad the trip is over.